Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and I just wanted to let you know that tonight, November 1st at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we are going to be going live right here on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm, and it is going to be a big one. It is a live Q&A, so you ask the questions and we will do our best to help answer, to help you on your journey with your small business, Coturnix quail, breeding, housing, whatever the case may be. We're going to be doing giveaways tonight, but especially two of these puppies right here. These are the brand new Wynola Ranch cages that are not even on the website yet. This is the Myshire exclusive cage. Papa the Builder did a video on it last Tuesday, so you can check that out. But it's $280, but it is not on the website yet. But tonight on our live feed, I will let you know when they're putting them on. So that's going to be really exciting. Plus, they're giving two away. They've got the bucket that goes with it. They've got this jumbo water. They've got the very nice cage itself with the 3 doors, which is really nice, and the dividers if you choose to use them. They've got this nice little thing that will keep the predators away, keep everything in check, everything clean. They've got this really nice feeder. The flooring is coated wire, which is extremely nice. And then obviously you've got the poop pan and wheels that lock. And with the water tray on the back, this thing goes over it, so it keeps all the dust and all the crap out. Also helps with predators. So this thing is an inside-outside cage. It's fantastic. We'll talk about it tonight, but we're giving 2 of those away for free for you just showing up. So we're going to have a lot of fun, some games. I hope to see you there, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight, right here on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm. Thanks, everybody.